Well, tonight, nearly 100 million Americans are under weather alerts as another powerful storm system is moving across the Great Plains and Midwest and is threatening to bring strong winds, heavy rain, and another chance of tornadoes. CBS's Carter Evans reports.
With sirens blaring, extreme weather blew into Nebraska, tornadoes touching down. And the pictures from Colorado looked apocalyptic as the front moved through. Like a wall of wind. That's how the man who recorded this video described the storm front as it blew into Boulder and knocked down trees in Denver.
The whole house shook.
It became a full-blown 100-mile-per-hour windstorm. Strong winds whipped up flames in the high plains of the central Oklahoma panhandle. It's all part of this week's massive storm that pounded drought-stricken California with torrential rain and flooding, sweeping cars down the LA River and dumping several feet of snow on the Sierra Nevada. Carter Evans, CBS News.
Well, now for what lies ahead, CBS Boston's chief meteorologist Eric Fisher is here with the forecast. Good evening, Eric.
Good evening, Nora. Today is a day for the record books. When it comes to the weather in the middle of the country, we've had this widespread windstorm, the whole thing rocketing across the middle of the country tonight. Let's take a look at some of those advisories. Huge area. Wind advisories, high wind warnings from New Mexico all the way to western New York. And in this area, we've had some wind gusts up to 100 miles per hour. Places like Russell, Kansas, Lamar, Colorado. And tonight, now we're tracking more tornadoes. This is moving so fast. It's not just the wind in the storms themselves in this line that's moving across Iowa at 80 to 100 miles per hour with embedded tornadoes. This will continue to move to the north and east. There are more tornado watches there. In fact, if one touches down in Minnesota tonight, it would be the first on record during the month of December in Minnesota. Here's why. We've had record warmth. All-time December highs were set. Places like Des Moines, way into the 70s. Omaha, Nebraska, way into the 70s as well. All this will continue moving rapidly to the northeast tonight. Behind it, we're talking about a big drop in temperature. Nora, it's going to feel very much like winter, and this unusual warmth will disappear as we head into the day on Thursday.
Scary to think about those tornado warnings. Eric Fisher, thank you.